Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to make louisiana hot sauce. So I got the recipe, I got the ingredients. So I got 3 pieces of red chilies. I got white vinegar and the salt. So the chilies. Oh, ouch. Ouch. And do not put these in your eye. Okay, put that with the okay, cut. Okay, I'm gonna get a knife. Me with knives, dangerous with the bloody knives. Oops. One cup of.
Well, not even that, just what's ever in the jar. So put your... Oh, yeah, that'll be enough.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So it's 1 cup, we're not doing 2. So.
No. Okay, so put your chilies in. And your seeds.
I don't know how much I'm going to use.
We'll just use
all of them.
Oh.
I want to grow some.
Oh, okay. Well,
I'll just use.
You'll just
take the ones out. It's got the.
And then we'll grow those. I mean, use those ones and we'll grow these ones.
Yeah, that's what I took.
Okay.
And salt.
Yes. So remember that, a tablespoon salt, so you should have got the loose salt.
Yep.
Okay. Well, now you put that on the stove. Use this bottle for the sauce.
No, we can do. So we're going to turn it on.
Yep.
Yep. So we're going to bring it just to boil.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is getting there.
Yeah, it's soft. Yeah.
So how long?
Another 5 minutes maybe.
Chicken it? Oh yeah.
Feel soft enough?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we'll leave it to cool before we put it in the blender, because otherwise it's going to go
Splatter.
yeah. Okay, so we'll turn that off.
Well, we got the rhubarb going. Ooh, push. Ooh. Maniac! Oh God. Okay. Give it a whirl. Oh,
You got it on right?
yeah, I have. It's alright.
Yeah, I think it will absorb the chili and that all.
I'll just pause it again. What? Oh, fuck.
Well,
Have you finished?
oh yeah, it's alright, Monica.
Finish what?
Doing your video?
No.
Okay.
No? You make a phone call.
Thank you for watching how to make louisiana homemade hot sauce. I'll put the recipe in the link down in the description down below. It's great. Push a notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye.